take a moment to arrive here. You are not late. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be right now. Allow your eyes to gently close if that feels comfortable, and if not, simply soften your gaze. There is nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to achieve. For the next while, this moment is only for you. Notice that you are breathing without effort, without force, just breathing. And with each gentle breath out, allow your body to feel a little more supported, as if something beneath you is quietly holding all your weight. If your mind feels busy, that's okay. If your thoughts are loud, that's okay too. You don't need to push anything away. Just let things be exactly as they are. Now, slowly bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air moving in and the air moving out. Nothing more, nothing less. As you breathe out, imagine releasing a small amount of tension. Not all of it, just a little. A soft letting go. Let your shoulders drop. Not because you force them to, but because they are finally allowed to rest. Let your jaw unclench. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. You may not realize how much you've been holding, how much you've been carrying quietly without ever being asked if you were okay. This is a moment where you don't have to be strong. You don't have to hold it together. You don't have to have answers. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, calming sensation beginning there, slowly moving downward. Softening your forehead, smoothing your thoughts. Feel this calm moving through your eyes, your cheeks, your mouth. Allow your face to relax completely. Now, feel this gentle wave of calm move into your neck and shoulders. If there is tension here, don't fight it, just notice it and allow it to soften in its own time. Let this relaxation flow down through your arms into your hands and all the way to your fingertips. As if you are slowly setting something heavy down, something you've been holding for too long. Now, bring your attention to your chest. Notice the rise and fall with each breath. With every inhale, invite calm. With every exhale, release stress. Not all at once, just enough. Imagine that every stressful thought is like a leaf floating on water. You don't need to grab it, you don't need to follow it. Just watch it drift by and disappear. Another thought may come. That's okay. Let it float away too. There is no need to solve anything right now. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to do nothing. Feel your breath again, steady, gentle enough. If your body feels heavy, let it be heavy. If it feels light, let it be light. Whatever you feel is allowed. Now, rest your attention in this quiet space, this place beneath the noise, beneath the stress, beneath the effort. You don't need to think, you don't need to focus, just be here. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the feeling of breathing, like returning home. Notice how calm doesn't need effort. Peace doesn't need force. It arrives when you stop resisting. Stay here, rest here, let this calm soak into you. And when you are ready, begin to gently notice your body again. The surface beneath you, the space around you. Take a slow, deep breath in and a soft breath out. Carry this calm with you. You don't have to rush, you don't have to change anything. This peace is not something you created, it's something you remembered. Whenever you need it, you can return here to the guided meditation voyage. Namaste.